Hey guys, and welcome to Math Channel. 6 divided by 6 minus 6 times 6. So we have 6 divided by 6 gives us 1. 1 minus 6 gives us negative 5. And now negative 5 times 6 gives us negative 30. But this answer is not correct. According to the order of operations, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, we have one division here and one multiplication here that we have to solve them first. So as we know, division and multiplication have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. Now we have 6 divided by 6 gives us 1, and now 6 times 6 gives us 36, and now we have 1 negative 36, that this expression is equals to negative 35. The final answer is negative 35. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching.